In a vibrant underwater world, where the sun's rays seldom reached, lived a curious creature named Axolotl. He was not like the other amphibious beings, for he had an unusual ambition to touch the sun. Axolotl's companions, the colorful fish and turtles, found his dreams peculiar and discouraged him, saying, "Axolotl, you are a creature of the depths, not of the heights." But Axolotl, undeterred, opted to follow his heart. He embarked on a journey, swimming against the currents, diving deeper than any had ever dared. His determination was unwavering, and his courage unyielding. He encountered many obstacles, from the jagged reefs that threatened to tear him apart to the vast open seas that seemed endless. Yet, Axolotl persevered, his ambition fueling his every move. One day, he arrived at a breathtaking sight, a glimmering surface that seemed to beckon him. It was the sun, golden and radiant, bathed in a halo of shimmering light. Axolotl swam towards it, his heart pounding with anticipation. As he touched the sun, a strange transformation occurred. He was no longer the scaly, aquatic creature he once was. He became a beautiful bird, with feathers that sparkled like the sun itself. His ambition had been realized. But as he soared through the sky, he felt a pang of sadness. For he had left behind his underwater home, his family, and his friends. He realized then that true success was not about achieving one's ambition, but about finding balance between ambition and contentment. So, Axolotl returned to his underwater world, not as a bird, but as a changed creature. He shared his tale of ambition and realization, teaching his companions that it's okay to dream big, but never to forget the importance of belonging and contentment. And thus, the axolotl, once a creature of the depths, became a beacon of inspiration for all, reminding everyone that ambition, when guided by wisdom, can lead to the most beautiful transformations.